Guyana, the gateway to paradise, a hidden gem in the Amazon, a country of diversity, the people, the animals, the food, the plants, a country that prospers on togetherness. MACORP for the past 25 years has been the leader in supplying the mining, agriculture, forestry, industrial and construction sectors in Guyana. MACORP provides quality with a clear permanence in time, satisfying the needs and wants of the sectors it engages in. In this era, society believes that excellence is just something we made up and it is reserved for the chosen few. But it is finding solutions or being solutions driven. It is doing the job or getting the job done correctly. The will to be excellent is within our company.
MACORP, built for it.
We are very happy and proud to be associated with MACORP. Our site team and the team management in Georgetown has been fantastic.
Our relationship with MACORP has been productive and excellent. We're looking forward to more of the same over the coming years.
We decide the goals as well as map out the journey where the outcome is measured by results and the will to inspire. Which is what Machinery Corporation of Guyana Limited is known for as we celebrate a 25-year milestone that marks just how far the company has come since its founding.